Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix high CPU usage while gaming. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go and search and write edit power plan. Right, then go to power options, then here select high performance or ultimate performance if it's available. If it's not available for you, then press create a power plan, select high performance, press next, and then here you just need to select your plan name and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then open up Task Manager, go to Startup Apps, sort it out by Enabled, and then disable all the startup apps that you don't use while you're playing the games. So sometimes there is a lot of apps and it will use your CPU. So disable them all, and just when you need it, just enable it manually. Then what you need to do here is to go to Device Manager. On Device Manager, you need to look for System Devices here. And on system devices, you need to look for a high precision event timer. And then you just need to right click on it and disable device, right? Restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. So that's pretty much it.